I think I need a new studio. Hey my mates, welcome to my old studio. Since 2013 when I moved in here, everything I've painted has been created right in this space. In a room barely 4 by 3 meters in size, I've done practically everything. Painting, filming my videos, composing still life, storing paintings, prepping canvases, cleaning brushes, playing with my son, gaming on my PC, eating, drinking, and sometimes even a catching a well-deserved shut-eye. Sometimes it was quite a task to set up the studio for filming because I had to rearrange the furniture every time to make the studio look somewhat presentable. Every time I moved, I bumped into something or knocked something over. Quite frankly, almost always it felt like I spent more time prepping the studio than actually capturing content for my wit. Plus I got these studio windows facing west, which means when the sun is out, I'm basically tanning instead of painting, because the light is bouncing all over, making it impossible to paint. Sure, I could have just blocked out the windows, but have you ever tried to shade triangle-shaped windows? Not easy. Yeah, I'm done here. Goodbye, my old studio. I'm gonna miss you. Or maybe not. Okay, I've got this vision in my head of what my studio should look like. So, step 1, gotta get these genius ideas out of my head onto the screen. Time to take those digital dreams and splatter them across the good old-fashioned paper. Let's do this. Alright, design looks pretty good, but let's powwow with the designer to tweak it a little bit more. After 40 days of waiting, here it is. The project documentation for my brand new baby. Isn't it just beautiful? I guess now it's time to change the brushes for pickaxe and the shovel. Hello guys, come on in. Welcome to my new studio. Finally, my mates, I can officially welcome you all to my brand new studio. I can't tell you how excited I am to finally show it off. It's been a year in the making, countless hours of hard work, planning and setup, but it's finally done. Now that everything is in place, I'm beyond ready to dive back into creating awesome new video just for you. This space is a total upgrade from my old one. I've moved everything I need, and with double the space, I had the freedom to really get creative with the layout. The huge skylights flood the studio with incredible natural light, and I made sure they're facing north to give me that perfect soft lighting for my projects. Yeah, I know, you're probably eager to see what's inside, right? So let's not wait any longer. Let me show you around.
In any artist's studio, lighting is absolutely essential. It can make or break your creative space. For me, natural light was the ideal, affordable choice. So I took the plunge and installed 3 skylights right in the roof. Positioned to face north, they bring in a consistent, cool light that doesn't change much as the day goes on. I love this setup because it lets me paint with reliable, steady lighting. Soon I'll be adding blackout blinds to give me total control over the light and dark in my studio for those times when I need a different vibe. But let's face it, when it's cloudy or night rolls around, skylights can't do it all. That's where my trusty key light steps in. I've had this light for nearly a decade, and it's my go-to for painting and vlogging. With a color temperature of about 5500 Kelvin, it mimics daylight perfectly, creating a natural light atmosphere that's fantastic for both artwork and video content. I also have several different RGB lights that can change colors. I don't use these for painting, they're mostly for extra lighting when I'm filming. For example, if I need a cool blue light on the side of my face or want to backlight objects in the background, these lights work perfectly. I've also got 2 more ceiling lights here, and I'm not the only one lighting them up. Check it out.
Alexa, light 1 on.
Okay.
Alexa, light 2 on.
Okay.
Alexa, light 2 blue.
Okay.
Pretty cool, right? Alright, here's my main workstation. This desk does double duty as my video editing and filming space. I can adjust its height with ease, so when I've been sitting for a while and my back or seat gets sore, I just crank it up and switch to standing mode. Plus, I've placed it smack dab in the middle of the room. This lets me switch up my angles and film with 2 unique backgrounds, adding a fresh vibe to every vlog I make. When I moved, naturally, I couldn't leave behind any of my painting gear, especially my trusty easel. This easel and I go way back, over 25 years. Over the years, I've made so many tweaks and customizations to it that, honestly, I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's got every feature I could ask for, and the real highlight? It's double-sided. On the back, I've set up a pull-out work surface that's perfect for sketching out ideas and planning new pieces. It's my all-in-one painting setup, and it's become such a key part of my creative process. After a hard day's work, everyone deserves a little downtime. That's why I have a cozy armchair tucked in the corner of the room, perfect for when I need to unwind or settle in with a good book. It's my personal retreat for relaxation and quiet moments. That's a wrap for today, everyone. I hope you're enjoying the new studio setup. If you'd like to support my work and dive even deeper into the art-making process, check out my Patreon. You'll find extra videos, tutorials, and photos where I walk you through painting techniques, layering methods, and a ton more. The Patreon link is right down in the description, and if you're into my artwork and want to grab some prints, stickers, or other goodies, head over to my site at m8merch.com. Be sure to use the code M8SALE at checkout to get 10% off your entire purchase. Plus, for the latest updates, you can always catch me over on Instagram. Thanks for being here and supporting my journey.